It's locked. Ready? Got it to work. Oh, mother of all lords. Bloody Audi's life's been taken by a dead battery in the winter. Fucking nothing. Nothing at all.
That's what it's scalding.
How on earth has the battery just been drained?
You talked.
Goodbye. There goes the Vauxhall Astra. Now time to turn my attention back to this old shit heap when my father gets home, of course. Dead battery, but the battery's arrived, so yeah. Right, so just a quick update. Can't actually get the battery out. I've flipping YouTubed it, and there's supposed to be like a locating like clamp thing down the front of the battery. There's nothing there, nothing around the battery. I've left the battery unplugged, trying to obviously get it out, and now the key don't work with it at all. Like, it flicks the ignition on, but I can't lock or unlock the car or anything like that. And yeah, I hate German cars with a passion. Hate them. Right, moment of truth. It's in. We have lights. It's telling me it's back in 2006. This car hasn't been started in God knows how long. The key does not work with the central lock-in, but will it start? Straight up. Radio works. The only thing that's on is the electronic stability program, or traction control. Oh, that's brilliant. Let's see if this works. Honestly, this started so easy. Just waiting for the radio, see if that works. Right, radio works. Well, at least that part of the radio does. Yeah! That all works. Climate control works. Traction control. That button does nothing. But she lives! My car's a mess, but she lives. She lives. She lives. She lives, she lives, she lives. She's back in life. Oh. Woohoo! The Audi's back. Just needs to sort out the traction control light, which I don't know why it's doing that. But she works. And that's the most important thing. I don't know how to change this, so I'm going to look into that. But yes. Rightio then guys, I just had to put some mess away. Is the car locked or unlocked? It's locked. Ready? Got it to work. Now, it's a very simple process on how I got it to work. It's honestly ridiculously easy. Literally what you do is you sit in, you close your door, you flick the ignition on, hold the unlock button down for 10 seconds, flick the ignition off, pull the key out, and it should work. I've reset the time and the date and all that as well. That was easy to do. That was just using the 3 buttons there. I've actually fixed something. Now, the only issue I do have now is if I flick this back on, is the traction control light is on. But apparently if I just drive it up and down the road, it should theoretically turn itself off. So that's what I'm going to go and do now. If it's fixed, it's fixed. If it's not, then God knows. But yeah, that's the last thing left to do. She lives. She lives. She lives. I had to recode the key so the central locking worked again. But she lives, she fires straight up, radio works. I've reset the clocks because they went back to 2006 and midnight. The only light that's on the dashboard now is the traction control light, but she worked. Brilliant. I fixed something. And that, guys, is gonna end this video. Traction control light has gone off. It literally went off when I pulled out the space, so I literally just needed to roll it forwards and that was it. Light gone. Ignore all the flipping spaghetti-ness behind me. I will be sorting that dash cam out. But no, yeah. Keys recoded, car's back to, oh, for God's sake. Car's back to life. Couldn't be happier. I've got a massive, and I mean massive update coming on the Yaris soon. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, like I said, she's back. She's back. And that's that. I couldn't ask for anything better. I know it was a bit of a short video, maybe. I know it was a bit of a confusing one. You was probably face palming and swearing at the screen through most of it. But I hate German cars. Purely for this, you know, the reasons of confusion and stuff like that. I flipping hate German cars. They throw so many codes, so many things that can go wrong with them. But I did it. I did it. I know it's only something simple. I know it's only replacing the battery. I didn't physically replace the battery. It was my mate Ethan who came to have a look because we couldn't find a bolt and I didn't know where else to look. So he came and had a look for me and he likes digging into stuff. So I let him do it. Socially distanced, of course. Let him do it. He put the battery in. I cranked it over. I reset the clocks. I reset the key. And she's back. I couldn't be any happier. But yeah. Like I said, if you did enjoy today's video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.